Welcome back, passionate gardener. Today we are going to show you how to grow and maintain your chili and pepper plants during summer months to ensure they thrive and produce wonderful harvest. We'll be covering watering, mulching, support, organic fertilizer, pest and diseases. Let's dive in. Firstly, let's talk about watering. Chili and pepper plants need consistent moisture, especially in the heat of summer. Water your plant deeply in the morning to ensure the roots get enough hydration and to minimize evaporation. Avoid overhead watering to prevent fungal diseases. Instead, water at the base of the plants. Remove weeds regularly from the base of the plants to ensure healthy growth of the plants. Hand weedings is one of the best method. Also, if you are growing chili or pepper in pot and there is still gap to fill soil, then do it now. This will give extra support to the plant and root will get additional nutrients. Mulching is a great way to retain soil moisture and keep the roots cool. Use organic mulching like straw, wood chips or glass clippings. Spread a 2 to 3 inch layer across your chili or pepper plants, making sure to keep the mulch is a bit away from the main stems to prevent rotting. Chili and pepper plants are heavy feeders, especially when they are producing fruits. You can use organic options like banana peels, coffee ground, eggshells, or well rotted manure to provide the essential nutrients they need. Also, you can use a balanced fertilizer or a specific chili plant fertilizer every 1 to 2 weeks as per packaging instruction. Pruning your chili or pepper plants needed if you manage to overwinter your plants. For the first year plants, you may want to cut from the tip to encourage side shoots. But if you have already lot of side shoots, I would recommend leave them without further pruning. Support your plants with bamboo stakes or cage to keep the upright and prevent the branches from breaking under the weight of the fruits. Summer can bring pests and diseases to your chili or pepper plants. Keep an eye out for aphids, spider mites, and whiteflies. Use organic pest control methods like neem oil or insecticidal soap. Using coffee ground will help to keep pests like ants away as well as it will work as a fertilizer. For fungal issues, ensure good air circulation and remove any infected leaves. Copper-based fungicide can also help managing diseases. Harvest your chili or pepper regularly to encourage more fruit productions. Pick them when they reach the desired size and color. Use sharp scissors or pruners to avoid damaging the plant. Regular harvesting also helps prevent overripe peppers from attracting pests. By following these tips, you will be able to maintain healthy and productive chili and pepper plants all summer long. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the Passionate Gardener channel if you are new to this channel for more gardening tips and tutorials. Happy gardening, gardeners!